I've literally lost my eye mask and I'm not even like 2 seconds into the video. I'm already failing.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee if you're new here. Basically on my channel I usually do makeup tutorials and things like that, so if that sounds like something you might be interested in then make sure you subscribe down below. But today's video is going to be a bit different. Today's video is actually inspired by Megan Roberts. You know her, you love her, she's the queen of drive with me's. I think everyone knows her at this point. Basically she did a video of a basic girl, like day in the life of a basic girl, so I thought I would do this but broke edition because I am the queen of budgeting, because I have to be, because I don't have any money. How to be a basic bitch on a budget, because you know we all like that basic girl life. My sister's always telling me I'm basic, so I thought I would use that and you know bring it to a video and inform you all how to stay basic on a budget. So if you would like to see this video then carry on watching. Make sure you go and check out Megan, because obviously she inspired this video, and also make sure you go and check out my Instagram. I'm always on my Instagram, you know, I just always am. And yeah, okay, so before the video begins I'd like to add a little side note in. My nose contour doesn't actually look like this. For some reason it looks really bad, but it's not, and it's not even that harsh in person, so please excuse that. If I get any comments on that, then you've obviously not watched the intro, so stop skipping my videos. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So here I am, just, you know, laying in bed, chilling, and of course I have to wake up the sound of Ariana Grande, because if you don't listen to Ariana Grande, are you really basic? And then I'm going to wake myself up with a spritz of Mario Badescu spray, because you know, everyone wakes themselves up using Mario Badescu spray. Please go on Instagram a bit more, take some more selfies, and then eventually when I get out of bed I turn on my fairy lights, because we all love a bit of fairy lighting. And of course I have to light a candle. This is actually a dupe for a Bath & Body Works candle, because I can't afford a Bath & Body Works candle. So this is actually just one from B&M that's exactly the same as the Bath & Body Works ones. So I just light that. And then of course I'm wearing Joni jeans and a teddy bear coat. Obviously they're not actual Joni jeans because they're expensive. And basically right here I'm thinking, I should go out in my Fiat 500 and go to Starbucks and get a vanilla latte. But then I realised, I don't own a car. I can't afford a car. I can't afford Starbucks. Next best thing, I'm going to go and put on a teddy bear hoodie and stay inside and make things myself. So here, because we can't afford Starbucks, I'm just going to make my own drink. So I'm going to boil the kettle and I'm going to use a sachet of vanilla latte mix. And of course, to make it feel like we're having a Starbucks, I'm going to use one of these Starbucks travel mugs that you can literally buy from Starbucks for like £1. Okay, so are we basic if we don't eat chicken nuggets? No. So I can't afford to Uber Eats myself some chicken nuggets from McDonald's, because it's like £4 for delivery and we ain't wasting £4 on delivery. So I'm trying to make myself some frozen chicken nuggets out of the freezer, and because I don't eat meat, they're actually not even chicken nuggets, but you know, we're sticking with the whole chicken nuggets vibe. And like any basic girl, whilst my food cooks, whilst my drink like cools, I'm going to sit here and take selfies and take pictures of my dog, because if you don't want to see my dog then I'm sorry, but I don't want you in my life. I'm going to take pictures of my dog and I'm going to put them everywhere. And also just, you know, are you really basic if you don't show that it's snowing outside? Okay, so now we have our nuggets and we have got our Starbucks. Basic bitches always have amazing nails, so we have to go to our nail appointment. So I'm going to eat my nuggets first and then we'll go for our nail appointment. I also have some McDonald's dips here, because free McDonald's dips, if you don't save them and use them with your own nuggets, you're just wasting them and they're free. So ask for all the dips and you can save them. Or just ask for extra dips. Then you'll never have to buy ketchup ever again. If I was really basic, I'd be filming a mukbang right now, but... Right, so of course, we must have perfect nails. They must be just longer than our fingers in general, and really just cute and sparkly. Primark nails. I actually use these a lot. I do get compliments on these when I have them on my hands. Because without nails, I have little boy hands, and no basic bitch is a little boy. Basically, any of these will go along with my rose gold Princess Pandora ring, because you have this ring if you're a basic bitch, and it has to be in rose gold, because rose gold, the colour of basicness. I'm thinking that these ones look the most basic because they are plain, they are French, they are ombre, and I think they're a bit sparkly. So I'm just going to sit here, sipping on my Starbucks that, you know, we just definitely went and drove in our Fiat 500s through the drive-thru to get. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to glue these nails on with some cheap Primark glue, because I mean, if you're going to go cheap, you might as well not buy good glue, because... But yeah, I'm just going to glue these on and like live out my full basic life. Almost died. Okay, so I've also just realised that when I sit on the bed in this teddy bear jumper, I look so fat. I promise you, I'm not. It's just the teddy bear life. The teddy bear coat life makes you look big. But you know what? That's okay, because that means I can eat 1,000,000 chicken nuggets, or realistically like 20 chicken nuggets, and no one will even know, because it's all covered. We good. We thinking about these things. The teddy bear is the reason we are able to eat these nuggets. Everything makes sense. Okay, back to the video. Okay, my nails are done. I look more basic, and honestly I kind of feel like less like a boy, so like I'm not even like mad about it. So yeah, now I have my nails done. They are more basic. These are like literally the most basic nails you could do, and I'm gonna keep doing this. But yeah, now I have my nails done, so I can take cute like little Starbucks pictures like this. I mean, my hand looks deformed. Oh my god, how do people do this and not look like they're deformed? I look deformed! Why is... Oh yeah, oh my god, do you remember all them Tumblr pictures where like everyone used to like cover up their face apart from their eyes, and then like, let's do this. Oh wait, I know. If I put my ring on my other hand, 1 second. Ready? Ooh, 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 am I basic? Ooh, I don't know what I'm doing. I have my nails, I have my ring, I have my Starbucks, I've eaten my chicken nuggets. Now, what do we do now? What does a basic girl do when she's done all of her tasks for the day? She's gone to Starbucks, she's got herself some McDonald's nuggets, she's gone to her nail appointment and got her nails done. I'm doing all of these things in my house because I'm too broke to leave my house, because outside world is expensive. Leaving your house is expensive. Now, of course, I'm gonna watch Netflix, because what is more basic than Netflix? Maybe Starbucks, but Netflix. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some Netflix, sip on my Starbucks, and tap things. Because apparently when you have nails, all you want to do is tap things. So of course, whilst I'm watching my Netflix, I am on my Instagram, because I mean, you don't watch Netflix and actually watch Netflix, let's be honest. You watch Netflix, you drink your drink, you go on your phone, you do everything but actually watching Netflix whilst watching Netflix. I'm going to give a little plug here because I have been on Instagram this entire time. If you want to go and follow my Instagram is EROSEGLITZ, just like it is on here. I will show you a little preview. Here's a little preview of my Instagram. As you can see, I do makeup and stuff. So if you would like to follow me on there, it would be greatly appreciated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. And thank you to Megan for inspiring this idea. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all soon. Bye!